Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain some very important basic civil engineering points that every civil engineer should know. Let's start with the first one, minimum slab thickness. The minimum slab thickness should be 125 mm for residential RCC slab. The thickness of RCC slab should be at least 125 mm. If it is less than this, it may bend or crack easily. Now second one, minimum column size. The column size should be 230 mm into 230 mm, which is equal to 9 inches into 9 inches. Column carry the load of the building. A small size column is weak and dangerous, so minimum size should be at least 9 inches by 9 inches for better strength and safety. Now third one, standard floor to floor height. Floor to floor height should be 3 meters, which is 10 feet. From one floor to the next floor, the height is usually 3 meters, which is equal to 10 feet. This gives proper room height, beam space and electrical fitting space. Fourth one is staircase riser height. It should be between 150 mm to 175 mm. The riser is the vertical height of each step. It should be easy for walking. That's why we keep it between 150 to 175 mm. Fifth is concrete cover for slab. It should be 15 mm to protect steel from corrosion. Steel inside the slab should not be directly exposed, so we provide a 15 mm thick concrete layer called cover to protect it from rusting and fire. Sixth one is hook length in stirrups, which is equal to 10 into dia of the bar. In stirrup, the ring in the beam and column, the end is bent into a hook. Its length should be 10 times the diameter of the bar. Seventh one is minimum steel in slab. It should be 0.12% of gross section area. To prevent cracking and handle load, slabs must have at least 0.12% steel of their total area. This is as per IS code for mild steel bars. Eighth one is minimum steel in beam. It should be 0.2% of gross cross-section area. Beams carry heavy loads and bending forces, so they must have minimum 0.2% steel. Without this, the beam can fail even in small loads. Ninth one is minimum steel in column, which is 0.8% of gross cross-section area. Column carry all the building weight, so as per code, we must provide at least 0.8% steel. Otherwise, the column won't perform properly. 10th one is minimum number of bars in a rectangular column, which is equal to 4 bars. For a rectangular or square column, we should place at least 4 vertical bars, one at each corner. This keeps the shape stable and strong. 11th is minimum number of bars in circular column. It should be 6 bars. In circular column, minimum 6 vertical bars must be used. These are placed equally around the circle to balance the load. 12th and last is standard size of bricks, which is 190 mm into 90 mm into 90 mm. This is the modular brick size. When we add 10 mm mortar on all sides, the size becomes 200 mm into 100 mm into 100 mm, which makes it easy for wall calculation and neat finish. So, these were the 12 very important basic points that every civil engineer and site person should remember. If you like such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video soon.